Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Volvo FH12, a truck that is already making waves in the heavy-duty transport world. Volvo has a long history of producing reliable and innovative vehicles, and with this latest model they are pushing boundaries even further. The FH12 is built not only for hauling power but also for efficiency, driver comfort, and cutting-edge safety, making it a standout option in its segment. With the rise of smart trucking and eco-conscious design, the FH12 perfectly represents the future of transport. On the outside, the 2026 Volvo FH12 has been given a bold and commanding presence. The design is more aerodynamic than ever, with smoother lines and a front fascia that helps reduce drag on the open highway. The grille is wider, allowing better airflow to keep the engine cool, while the LED headlamps add a modern and sharper look. Volvo has also replaced traditional mirrors with advanced camera systems that not only enhance the futuristic styling but also improve visibility and eliminate blind spots. Side deflectors and roof fairings have been redesigned to optimize airflow, cutting down on fuel consumption and boosting stability at higher speeds. This is a truck that looks powerful and efficient at the same time, a true statement on the road. Inside, the 2026 FH12 is designed around the driver, offering comfort and convenience during long hauls. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and fitted with high-quality materials that make it feel more like a premium workspace than just a truck interior. The ergonomic seats are built for long hours on the road, and the dashboard has been modernized with a fully digital cockpit that is both customizable and easy to read. Volvo has also integrated smart steering wheel controls, giving drivers quick access to important functions without distraction. Storage options are plentiful, the sleeper bed provides restful breaks, and connectivity features allow drivers to stay in touch while on the move. Everything is designed to make the job easier and more enjoyable. Performance is where the FH12 continues to impress. The truck is powered by an updated D13 engine, delivering strong horsepower and torque to handle heavy loads with ease. Paired with Volvo's advanced I-Shift automated transmission, gear changes are smooth, efficient, and optimized for both performance and fuel economy. The truck also offers hybrid and alternative fuel options, making it compliant with strict emissions standards while still maintaining impressive hauling capability. Drivers will also notice an improved suspension system that delivers stability and comfort, even when tackling rough terrains or carrying maximum payloads. This is a truck engineered to deliver consistent results no matter the challenge. Safety has always been Volvo's strongest point, and the 2026 FH12 carries that tradition forward. It comes equipped with collision warning and emergency braking systems designed to prevent accidents before they happen. Lane keeping support keeps the truck steady during long hours of driving, while adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances in traffic. The camera-based mirror system not only looks futuristic but also dramatically improves side and rear visibility, reducing risks in busy highways and tight maneuvering situations. The reinforced cab structure provides extra protection in case of impact, ensuring driver safety at all times. Volvo continues to set the benchmark in this area, making the FH12 one of the safest trucks in its class. The unique selling points of this truck are clear. It combines Volvo's trademark safety technology with a modern aerodynamic design, powerful yet fuel-efficient performance, and a driver-focused interior that enhances comfort and productivity. Its adaptability for long-haul or specialized work makes it versatile, while its emphasis on sustainability ensures it is future-ready. For fleet operators and independent drivers alike, the FH12 offers both reliability and advanced technology in one package, something that very few competitors can match. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volvo FH12 sits firmly in the premium category of heavy-duty trucks. It is expected to start around $130,000, but with additional options and advanced packages, the price can rise significantly. While the upfront investment may be high, the FH12 delivers long-term value through reduced fuel consumption, lower maintenance costs, and higher resale value, making it a smart business decision for those serious about efficiency and durability. In conclusion, the 2026 Volvo FH12 is more than just a truck. It represents the future of transport with its sleek exterior, smart interior, powerful and efficient engine options, and unrivaled safety features. Volvo has once again shown why it leads the industry in innovation and dependability. For drivers and businesses looking for a truck that delivers on all fronts, from performance to comfort and long-term value, the FH12 is a clear winner. This is a truck that doesn't just move goods across distances, it redefines how transport should feel in the modern era.